Alright, so this is the first repair that I've had made that wasn't regular maintenance on this Troy-Bilt. It's like 95 degrees today, so of course this happens. I hit a stick. Here's a piece of it. Like, not that big of a stick. And got caught in the belt just right. The belt exploded and it bent this pulley up. It was an amazing explosion underneath my seat. So now I'm going to take a look at it and see if I can't repair it. This is pretty amazing. It's bent that because I can stand on this pulley and it doesn't bend down. 200 pounds, over 200 pounds. So that was a heck of a powerful explosion. Looks like a chunk was taken out of this pulley. That almost looks like it was metal. I wonder if it was a branch and a piece of metal. Because, oh boy, I might have to order this part. Hopefully the threads aren't too messed up. I don't have to tap them. All the parts are here. Let's get to swapping these parts out. Alright, that's a 9/16. This cappy thing come off. This black rubber looking thing. Brake. Let's see. Alright, yeah, it's got to wait until I can take off this bracket. It's a 1/2 inch. Yeah, the bolt. I'm glad this bolt's okay because I ordered this bolt. It showed as this in the schematic, this bolt here. But this bolt is this one. So, it's only $4, but glad this bolt was not damaged. Must be a Yep, there's a nut there. Yeah, 9/16. This bolt comes out, this little washer has to come off. So I just need a little ledge. And 9/16 socket. Perfect. The right tool for the right job. New, old. Looks like they used a yellow steel before, and this is just a normal piece of steel. Alright, so the pulley goes on, and I note that the screw heads are like the stars. They're not really heads, but the stars are visible on the top, so that's the orientation. You don't want to see the what looks like to be maybe rivets on the bottom, so the orientation is this way with the stars up. Alright, I'm really glad I went in the house and looked at the video to see where that nut went, because I realized I totally forgot to put my pulley retention thingy back on. And also, looking at this part diagram again, I realized my mistake when ordering that bolt. This is bolt 16, the main pivot bolt, but the little guide bolt goes, where is it? There's like a little dotted line. It goes all the way down, all the way over, all the way over to here, and then all the way down to here. It's part 33. This guide thingy. Then bushing, then pulley, then cap, then bolt. Then this bolt goes inside of this bushing, goes through the deck, okay, and then this washer and this bolt good. Come on, get in the threads. Are you threading or spinning? Oh, it might be threading. Alrighty. Cool. Spring tool. Okay. Ah, gotcha. There we go. That's the hardest part. Alright, it works. Alright, now we just got to put our new deck drive belt on. Part number 954042219. Considering this belt lasted, wow, has it been 6 years now? I bought OEM, so. This guy. Get on there. Oh wow, that's a nice collection of leaves in here, or grass. looks like you can't get that belt back on without loosening that pulley. Loosen that a little bit. There we go. Still on there. Alright, now we get to put it back on the mower. Yeah, for the putting it back on the mower part, it's pretty uncomfortable for me to film, so I'm not going to do that. But this will get you close enough. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.